Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we revised present simple and past simple tenses, and today we are going to revise present continuous. Okay? First of all, the meaning of continuous verb. Continuous means the action which is in progress. The verb which shows the continuity of an action. It is represented by the continuous forms of the verb. The action started in the past, but it is in progress at the time of speaking. अभी एक्शन चल रहा है कोई, ठीक है? Action started in the past, but it is in progress. पहले शुरू हुआ काम और अभी चल रहा है. If I say, boys are playing cricket. So the action started earlier at some point of time in past, but it is in progress at the time of speaking. अभी कोई एक्शन प्रोग्रेस में है, तो ये बात हम शो करते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में. ठीक है? I can write certain examples. She is playing chess. Okay? They are flying kites. I am learning cricket, or I am learning painting, or you can say I am learning French. French again, it is the name of language. French, France में जो भाषा बोली जाती है वो है French. So in first example, I have written she is playing chess. It means she has started this work in past and it is still in progress. She is playing chess. They are flying kites. I am learning French. So these are the sentences. They are telling, they are showing that the action has started in the past and it is still in progress. इसका मतलब ये कब यूज करते हैं? That when an action started in the past, मतलब हमें ये बताना हो कि कोई एक्शन अभी प्रोग्रेस में हो, ठीक है? To show the, what is its use? To show the continuity of an action. What is it? To show the continuity of an action, we use is present continuous tense. The next use it. First, to show the continuity of an action. Okay? Then, if we use this tense to show the future planning, remember this, हमें ये बताना हो कि कल हम ऐसा करेंगे, हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस से भी शो कर सकते हैं. मैं ये कहूँ, my father is going to buy a new house next year. Yeah, I am going to buy, yeah, I am planning to buy a new house next year. We are leaving for Delhi tomorrow. Okay, this is future plan. First use is this, second is to show future plan. Future plan. We are leaving for tomorrow. We are leaving for Delhi tomorrow. ठीक है? It means अब हमें जाना तो कल है, हमारी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग है, लेकिन मैंने क्या यूज किया है? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. वी आर लिविंग फॉर दिल्ली टुमारो. फर्स्ट यूज हो गया, सेकेंड यूज हो गया, और थर्ड यूज क्या है? टू शो एन एक्शन which take place for a shorter period of duration. जैसे what is your son doing? हम ये क्या कहते हैं? What is your son doing? आपका बेटा क्या कर रहा है? इसमें हम ये तो नहीं कह रहे कि वो अभी क्या कर रहा है, मतलब वो क्या काम कर रहा है. हम ये पूछ रहे हैं उनसे व्हाट इज ही डूइंग, क्या जॉब कर रहा है, वो क्या काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, तब हम यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. सो रिमेंबर दिस. The structure of or the formula of this sentence is subject plus is, am or are. Okay, remember this. Is oblique am oblique are plus ing form of the verb plus object. Okay. He, she, it. Singular nouns carry is with them. I is used with only am. I carries am. Singular. She, he, it. They carry is. And plural. They, we. इन सब के साथ क्या यूज होता है? Are. This is your basic formula to learn the continuous tense. Is, am and are. These are the helping verbs. They are called the forms of the verb be also. Okay? Here it is acting as the helping verb. She is writing a letter. I am playing piano. They are flying kites. All these are the examples of present continuous. ठीक है? Next tense is past continuous tense. These examples were of present continuous, and now we come to past continuous. In sentences, when we want to show the action that started in the past and was in progress at some point of time in past. Okay? कोई एक्शन पास्ट में शुरू हुआ और पास्ट में किसी टाइम पर प्रोग्रेस में था, ऐसे एक्शंस को हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में शो करते हैं. It is used mostly in writing stories and narrating past events. जब हम ये बताएं कि कोई एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया हो, ठीक है, और उस पॉइंट पर कोई एक्शन चल रहा हो. कंप्लीट तो कोई एक्शन हुआ हो, उस समय कोई एक्शन दूसरा चल रहा हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I was writing a letter when my father arrived. Two actions took place at some point of time in past. फादर आए, उस समय मैं एक लेटर लिख रही थी. जब हम कंटिन्यूटी शो कर रहे हैं किसी एक्शन की at certain point of time in past, we use past continuous tense. So this tense is used to show the continuity of an action. Okay, So just take care that come to its structure. How do we use? How do we decide what kind of this verb will be used? Subject plus was or were. Was oblique verb plus ing form of the verb plus object. Fine. Subject. He was playing cricket. This is a singular pronoun. Singular noun and pronoun will be used with this helping verb was. Means was is used with all singular subjects. And ing form of the verb will be used. I and singular subjects. Then you, whether it is singular or plural, remember this, whether it is singular or plural, you, we, and other plural subjects, they carry verb with them. Okay? You, we, and plural subjects carry verb with them, and it is singular subject that carries was with them. I was, she was, he was, Rohit was. Fine. You were playing cricket. Whether you is a singular one or plural one, it is required to write verb with all the plural subjects along with you. ठीक है? You were jogging when I saw you. Okay? When I saw you, you were jogging when I saw you. So this is the basic use of past and present continuous tenses, and I gave these examples to make your concept clear about present continuous and past continuous. Now we come to their negatives and interrogative sentences. He is writing a letter. This is the affirmative statement of present continuous. Now, if you want to change it into negative, we will write he is not writing simply we have to add not with it. Fine. Then if I make it negative or interrogative, I have to write this helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Is he writing a letter? And question mark at the end. Okay. Here we can change the subject. We are writing letters. We are playing. We are not playing. They are not playing. Children are not playing. If I write the sentence, I am writing. I am not writing. And am I? Am I writing? Am I writing? Okay. Am I writing? I am not writing. Negative and interrogative words. The same is with past tense. I was writing. I was not writing. And was I writing? This is all about past tenses. Clear? Was I writing? I was not writing. I was writing. So these are the negative and interrogative sentences. Children were dancing. It is a plural subject. Children were dancing. Negative will be children were not dancing. Children.
मैम आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
Children.
मैम क्लियरली आ रही है.
It is clear, children.
मैम आपकी वॉइस
मैम
बिल्कुल
बहुत
क्लियर आ रही है.
है.
नो मैम बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रही है.
You don't speak. At your area, your voice, your network might be not there, but now it is clear. Now pay attention to the content. Okay? So children were not dancing, and interrogative will be word will be written at the beginning. When we change the sentence into interrogative one, we put this helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Were children dancing? Were children dancing? जैसे मैंने पहले लिखा था was I writing? Is he writing a letter? Was I dancing? Was I playing? Were you dancing? Were you playing cricket? Are you not ready? Is he writing a letter? The children were dancing. Children were not dancing. Let's have another example. You are learning to draw. You are learning to draw. We have to change this sentence into negative as well as interrogative verb. You are learning to draw. Its negative will be you are, simply we have to add not with it. You are not learning to draw. Okay? Then its interrogative will be are will be written at the beginning. While we change this sentence into interrogative one, we have to write this helping verb at the beginning. Are you not learning to draw? Are you not learning to draw? So this is the main idea, main part that you have to learn about present continuous and past continuous. We have done so many sentences earlier. So just take care that how they are to be changed. Okay? We can have some other examples as well. When we want to show the continuity of an action, or we can show the two actions going on at the same time in the past. Past में कोई दो एक्शन एक साथ चल रहे हैं, उसमें भी हम past continuous tense यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, my mother was cooking the meal while my father was cleaning the house. Okay, these two actions took place at the same point of time in past. They were in progress. Okay, so my mother was cooking the meal while my father was cleaning the house. जब माँ खाना बना रही थी तो फादर क्लीनिंग का काम कर रहे थे. The verb is chase. The bird. Fill in the blanks. While the cat while the rat run towards its hole. The cat was chasing the bird while the rat was running towards its hole. Okay, so this way we have revised this present simple as well as past simple, present continuous and past continuous. Both the forms of the tenses are revised.